Just what is it that you want to do?
Well, we want to be free. We want to be free to do what we want to do. And we want to get loaded. And we want to have a good time. And that's what we're going to do.
Well, wait, baby, let's go.
We're going to have a good time.
What's up, guys? Here with Craig tonight. It is a cool 65 degrees outside. We're actually wearing jackets tonight. Check out Craig's hoodie. He's got his Fox Body hoodie on. And, well, Craig got us out here. We're in our little shed. I bought a little 10 by 10 shed and got a few little things out here. But we're going to play with this tonight. So yeah, once we get everything moved, as you can see, it's kind of a storage slash junk shed. Got the drag pack wheels to the 82 laying over here. Hey, we can plug that up.
It's mostly junk.
If we get cold. It's got some diesel fuel in
It's
it.
mostly junk.
You're junk. Anyway, guys, so we're going to drag this thing out. And yeah, stay tuned. Alright. And pick that up. Hey, cool packs. So guys, if you don't know from our previous videos, this is the engine out of our 06 GT Mustang we had. It's a 3-valve 4.6 liter. And this is the donor engine for the 82 Fox Body. So, our goal tonight is going to be, we've already loosened the bolts that holds the valve covers on. We're going to pull the valve covers, pull the front drive accessories off, and get to the timing cover. You mean the manifolds?
Yeah.
Yeah, we might could do that tonight as well. I have to get this, I'm guessing we could probably leave this on, this crossover tube. See, on the two valves, the crossover tubes made it to the intake on those. And there was a flaw in them. They were plastic, yeah, and then the upgraded was the aluminum. So, and for you get, and of course we did a video on this too. This is a bypass, comes out, and yeah. So it was a little hose here that was leaking, so we just made our own and put it in. So anyway, guys, that's where we're at. We're gonna start taking stuff apart and see what it looks like when we get tore into it. Alright guys,
Happy birthday.
so we got the 418s out here up on the top. So there's one out here on each side. And
Yeah, I
we're
took 'em
fixing
out.
to go ahead and get the
I took him out.
crank pulley off. Bolt is a 19 millimeter.
Don't let-
I'm sorry, 18
Don't
millimeter.
let Mike you.
So
He didn't get it out. I got it out.
lies. Why are we taking this off?
Because I want to.
That just means I have to buy new O-rings for that too.
The other 2 bolts is already out of it. Might as well. We already had it out once.
Nope, that's the first time.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Is it any O-rings in there? Yeah, they're there.
No, they gone.
They go. They probably are. All right, so we're gonna put the. So we got the Matco Tools balance puller kit.
He's lying. That's not that cool.
Okay, what is it then? Mac Tools.
Strap on.
Anyway, this will be the puller we're using today. This one here. And this kit's nice because it comes with different length pushers here. So
You know what else is nice?
what?
What's that?
So that one's 2. Yeah, that might work.
You know what else would be nice?
What's that?
If you didn't clamp this damn clamp so tight.
You said damn.
Oops. Can't say that. Sorry.
You just
We're not monetized. We're good.
You screwed it up.
Oh no!
Screwed it up for everybody.
Nope. You screwed it up.
So guys, we're gonna get this off. Yep. Hey guys. So on these pulleys here,
Mike messed it up.
this one's kind of cruddy. The tool basically slide this in till the bottom's out, and if you look, you got some ears that are designed for this style puller. All right, so we're gonna see if we can get this locked on here. And I guess the consensus is once you get it on, so they make a nice one that actually when you get it in, you turn it and it locks into place.
Let's see, Mike. What you
This
got?
one doesn't do that, so you kind of have to hold it into place. And then once you get it on the ears,
You know why you have to do that?
looks pretty good there. So what we're gonna do now is get, nope, not that one,
Yeah, that one.
this one. And it's made, it contours into this.
Yeah, he's so fancy.
Oh, it is fancy. But see this thing here, this piece is too long, so now we have to use the shorter one.
Because he's not fancy.
This is actually different than the 4.0 pulleys too. So,
Well, I mean, I hope so. It's a 4.6.
am I allowed to slap you at any point tonight?
I did not consent. Am I allowed to slap you at any point in time?
I don't care.
Will it result in me getting shot?
Possible.
Oh, never mind.
There won't be no guarantees.
Never mind.
So,
I won't punch you.
just make sure you're locked onto all the ears.
Because if you
That's
don't,
right.
you'll be like Mike mess it up.
And you've got, I mean, you can put a socket on the end, and I like to use a hand tool. I don't like to use an impact gun on these, just for the simple fact that I don't like to tear them up. So, we'll get the 3/8 and we're gonna see if this will come off.
No, it's because he's scared.
All right.
Use the power tool.
No.
Why not? Because he's scared.
And that, there it went. It's loose.
Now you can use power tool.
No. No, you do not.
Yeah.
And that's why Craig don't work on a lot of stuff.
Work on more junk than you do.
You got the junk part, right?
It's not my fault I own a Mustang.
Right.
It's on Mike's fault that he don't get out of a Mustang. Blame it on Mike.
And then you guess we got the keyway in it.
Well,
I set that back there.
no, I'll sit it on your head.
And then we've got, it's like a 15, another 18 here, and the rest of these
Oh, that's a big spider.
should be 13 millimeters. Actually, there's one here. That was an 18. You have to get your AC compressor and your power steering pump off.
Where's the 18?
There should be, let's see, there's one here. That one I believe is 18, and that's a 15 or 13. So check that real quick. Because I know on the truck it's 15 may be too big. So it is 13 there. So they're all 13s. Okay. So yeah, all of them are 13s except for this one, and the 2 that go up top.
And they're 4 on the bottom too.
Yes, where they go into the bottom of the oil pan, but those should be 13s as well. So you have one here, one here, one here, one here. Let's go ahead and get the water pump off first.
Do we need safeties?
All the bolts, yes.
I can't throw them across the yard.
Part of me wants to say I love you, Craig, but part of me wants to slap shit out of you.
Does it result in me getting shot?
Yeah.
Never mind.
Alright, we're gonna pull this up here.
Water pump come off this. It's not coming off this.
Yeah, wait a minute.
The motor's gonna fall.
No.
We need a BFH. Hold on, I get one. Oh, those, it's not BFH.
There shouldn't be any water in it, but hard to say. Mow rings like a stick. You have a little screwdriver out here?
No, I got teeth.
See if you can get a little screwdriver there. Or just grab a flathead, it'll be fine. You don't really have to worry about damaging up here. You don't want to hit where the O-ring goes. So. Give it a little twist. Alright, hit it up from the bottom. There it is. That thing's nice and clean, isn't it?
There's your water pump.
No corrosion on it. Alright guys, so there's the water pump. Then go in here and make sure it's kind of look. If this is scarred up any, you want to hit that with a Scotch-Brite pad or something. Kind of make it nice and smooth again. You don't want any burrs, so when you put the water pump back on, you're not busting up your O-ring.
All the oily boys. Hey, you remember if you drained the oil out of this thing?
I won't say we did, but you never know with us. Hard to say. Should be one there.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's 18. Should be one there, one there. This bottom one that's bent. We'll go ahead and ain't worried about it. Just go ahead and take it out. Oh my gosh, that was violent. That was a bit excessive, wasn't it? Is the whole bolt bent or is it just the end?
Just a stud.
Okay. And all that does is hold that wiring harness that goes across here. Looked like it had a bit of an oil leak at some point, huh?
That's all the 13s?
It's wet all, you know. Looks like that's all. And then you'll need the
big boy?
Well, you don't need the big one, but yeah.
Well, I don't care. I'm using the big one.
Yeah, I figured you would.
I like the big one.
I'd like to strip it up.
Oh,
If it doesn't come out, it's going to come out with that.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's set it up there. And then, where's that screwdriver? Right there. It's got pry points. There's one here. Make sure there's nothing. You good there? Here's another pry point.
Blocking the camera, sir.
Oh, sorry. You want to try to be as easy with these as possible.
Break them?
You can break them, yeah.
Okay, I'll break them.
Alright, go to that other end.
What do you want to do on the other end?
This find you a spot. Let me know when you're ready. There it is.
Don't forget about the reluctor wheel.
Oh, there's a little bit of guide wear, but there's nothing. We'll say, what did this engine? Yeah, there's a little oil in it, by the way.
I told you we didn't drain it.
Yeah, we didn't drain it. See it floating around down there?
It's got a bug in it.
There we go. It's a little buggy. So we got. Doesn't look like there's any. I mean, there's definitely some guide wear. Tensioners are nice and stout though.
You know how long it's been since we fired this thing up?
So what is that? How many miles was on this engine? Like
165.
I don't think. Yeah, but it was supposed to have been replaced when we bought the car. So I'm not entirely sure how many miles on the engine, but
We don't get a ghost cam tune?
negative.
Why not?
But
Or are you just gonna put real cams in it?
so your tension's over here. See, but the engine must be in the spot where that's a little, which is a little stretch on the timing chain.
This one's stiff on both sides.
Mm-hmm. This one stretched a little bit, but if you look, look under here, you can see where it's. See how it's, you know, you see the dark orange underneath the light orange color there. You can see where the chain's starting to kind of wear in. So it was time for a timing chain set. But everything else looks pretty good. We'll probably go ahead and put a new oil pump on it too. Oils looks pretty good. So. Hi guys, so there's this Apollo here. Here's Shadow. He's looking for something to tear up. Are you running for something? So anyway, so you can see we got her busted out. Timing cover is off. It does need a timing chain set. We're gonna go ahead and address that. The cam phasers we can get fairly cheap. We might go ahead and put a set of new phasers on it. We are in the talks of, you know, going ahead and doing a cam swap. We don't know if we'll do it. We'll probably go ahead and do it with the engine out of the car. Craig was kind of against it at first.
I'm still am against it. It don't make no sense. Why would you put cams in it? Have to go get it tuned before you even drive the car. You need to put the motor in the car and work the bugs out in at least 2 weeks.
So that's what he says. But I don't know if you guys ever put cams in a car, but it'd be a lot easier to do it with the engine out. But hey, you know, hey, we'll get there when we get there. So anyway, the other order of business. Where are those spark plugs at, Craig? What did we do with those? Oh, okay, guys. So here you go. So these are the spark plugs that come in the 3-valve engine. And I don't know if any of you guys have messed with them or not, but they suck. They are a 2-piece spark plug. Get them up here so you can see them. And that's how they're designed. And, well,
Hashtag junk.
they like to break.
Hashtag junk.
So we got all of them out on this side. You can see down in there. So there's no, everything looks good. Right, and then come over here. And here's where it gets bad. So look down in there. Maybe you can see it. There's a little bit of spark plug left. Down in there, there's a little bit of spark plug left there. And there's an electrode down in that one. The rest of them, everything else is out. So Lyle Tool makes a kit to get that get those spark plugs out. So that's what we'll be working on next, is getting the spark plugs out. And we might do a video on that or not. I don't know.
Might do the thing.
So, but yeah, guys, that's kind of where we're at with it. We hadn't really posted anything in a while, so we were working on trying to get a video going for you guys. We were working on a few things. I own my roadside business, but me and Craig are actually working on getting us a shop. And hopefully, if everything works out, we'll have one by the end of this year, first next year, and be able to bring you guys some better content. That if we can keep Craig awake. Look at him. He's laying over the truck half asleep. Can't take him nowhere. So guys,
Hashtag tired.
hashtag tired. Him and his hashtag.
Hashtag. Wait, no, I can't say that on YouTube.
Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate everybody who watches us.
Do it for Dale.
We finally hit our 500 subscriber mark.
Do it for Dale.
Do it for Dale. So guys, we really appreciate everybody that's been supporting us, watching our videos, sharing them. Yeah. So,
Can I say one more thing?
yeah.
Ski yeet! Let it eat, boys.
See, he acts like he's tired, then he gets a little wave, and then it goes away, and then, yeah. Gives oatmeal Debbie cream pies. What is it? Oatmeal Debbie cream pies or oatmeal cream pies by Little Debbie? That's it. That's it. Them's good. Big old cold glass of milk.
It's
Yeah.
too cold for ice cream.
Yeah, it's like 60. No, what? Hey, look real quick. See what the temperature is. Hang on, guys. Let's
It's
see.
cold
We actually put our jackets on tonight.
compared to what it has been.
So hang on just a second. Let's see. Go home.
64 feels like 64.
Mine ain't updated yet.
Humidity 64%.
Okay, 64 feels like
Wind
64.
to southeast at 6 miles an hour.
But the low tonight,
It's
like 56.
54.
so yeah. We're ready for this kind of weather, guys.
I'm not
We were ready.
too cold.
We are definitely ready. So anyway, once again, thanks for checking us out. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button. Every little bit helps. Guys, we'll see you next time.